Hello friends, welcome to CAD MANIAC. In this AutoCAD 3D modeling tutorial, we will learn how we can create this 3D model using AutoCAD 2025 version. Autodesk have launched AutoCAD 2025 version very recently. So I'll link the video in the I button on how to install AutoCAD 2025 version. So this is the 3D modeling workspace. And I have created two viewports. I have attached the image in one of the viewports, and in the other viewport I have drawn the model, which also how you can create this one. We have to create this right view first, and then we will convert the 2D drawing to 3D model. So I'll click on view control and then click on right from here. I'll start with this line of 132 units. So type L and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Ortho must be turned on. Type 132 and press enter to draw this line. Right click to exit. Now I'll create a few offsets. This is total 160. This is 107. So this one is 53. So type O and press enter. Specify the offset distance as 53 and then press enter. Select this line. Click on this side to offset. Then select this line. Type 107 and then press enter. Select this one again. Type 20 and press enter. So we have drawn this one as well. Right click to exit. This length is 12. And we have created this line of 132 units. So I'll select this. I'll drag this point upwards and then type 120 and press enter. Now this is 12. This angle is 118 degrees. So I'll type L and press enter. Click at this point. I'll turn the ortho off. And I'll draw a line at 28 degrees by using dynamic input like this. You can see the angle is 28. Now I'll draw this fillet of 28. So type F and press enter. Click on radius in the command line or type R and press enter. Specify the radius of the fillet as 28 and then press enter. Then select the lines as shown to draw the fillet. Now this distance is 18. So type L and press enter. Click at this point. Now at 118 degrees by using dynamic input, I'll draw a line of 18 units. Then press enter. Right click to exit. This is perpendicular. This is R12. So type C and press enter. Just take an extension of 12 units as shown. I'll take it again. Like this. 12. 12 and press enter. Then specify the radius of the circle as 12 and then press enter again. This circle is 10 phi. So type C and press enter. Or just right click to repeat the last command. Click at the center. Specify the radius as 5 and then press enter. Now I'll erase this line. I'll offset this line upwards by 6 units. So type O and press enter. Specify the offset distance as 6. Press enter. Select this line and then click upwards like this. Right click to exit. This fillet is 28 as well. So type F and press enter. Radius is mentioned as 28. So I'll just select the lines as shown to add the fillet. Now type L and press enter. Click at this snap and then click at this tangent. Then right click to exit. This is 9 degrees. You can check. This is 9. Here it is. Now I'll trim this part. So type TR and press enter and trim this. Now type L and press enter. Draw the lines as shown. Add the fillets. This is 28 and this is 12. So type F and press enter. Previous fillet radius is 28. So just select the lines as shown. Repeat fillet command by right clicking. Then click on radius or type R and press enter. Specify the radius as 12 and then press enter again. Then select the lines as shown to add the fillet. This circle is 10 phi. So type C and press enter. Click at the center and mention the radius as 5. So this is done. Now this angle is 45 and this is 38. So type L and press enter. Click at the center. Draw a line at 45 degrees as shown. Repeat line command. Click anywhere as shown. And then click at this tangent. Then right click. Now this angle must be 19 degrees. So to do that, I'll click on parametric tab. Click at this angular constraint. Then just select the two lines as shown. Click here. Specify the angle as 19 degrees and then press enter. Now this circle should be tangent to this line. So click at this tangent constraint. Select the circle first. Then select the line. So this is tangent and this angle is 19 degrees. So we are done. Now I'll mirror this line with respect to this line. So type MI and press enter. Select the line, press enter. Then select the two endpoints of this line and then press enter again. I'll erase this one. And I'll trim this one. So type TR and press enter. Just click at the portion as shown to trim. Right click to exit, or otherwise I'll trim this as well. This is done. Okay, I have created a mess. I have not taken the consideration of this offset. So I'll Ctrl Z like this. And then I'll offset this circle. O enter. Specify the offset distance as 3. Press enter. Like this. And then offset the lines as shown. Right click to exit. Then I'll erase these lines. I'll trim this part. So type TR and press enter. Select this part and this one. Right click to exit. Now this offset distance is 6. So type O and press enter. Specify the offset distance as 6. Press enter. Select the line, click upwards. Select this arc, click this side. Do it as shown. Right click to exit. I'll trim these parts. So type TR and press enter. And trim this as shown. I'll extend this line. So type EX and press enter. Select this line. Right click to exit. So we are almost done. Actually, I won't trim this part. So I'll offset it again. Like this. Right click to exit. Now I'll create a few boundaries. So type BO and press enter. Click on pick point. Click in between this part. To convert this into a polyline, click here. Okay, close it. Right click to exit. Again repeat boundary command. Click on pick point. This one. And then this one. Right click to exit. Now I'll select this part. Right click. Go to isolate. And then click on hide object to hide it. I'll convert this one to a polyline as well. So type BO and press enter again. Click on pick point and then click here. So this is converted into a polyline. Right click to exit. Now to unhide type UNH and press enter. So we are done with our 2D drawing. Now we will convert this 2D drawing into our 3D model. So I'll orbit the drawing a bit like this. Now this thickness is 52. So I'll select this polyline. Click on extrude tool or type EXT and press enter. Go to this side, type 52 and press enter. Repeat extrude command by right clicking. Select this polyline. Press enter. Extrude it backwards by 10 units. By 16 units. So type 16 and press enter. Repeat extrude command by right clicking. Select this polyline. Press enter. Extrude it backwards by 6 units. Now we have to cut the hole. So we'll click on presspull tool or type PRES and press enter. Click inside this boundary and then click backwards. Do it again. Like this. Right click to exit. Now we have to extrude this part by 6 units. So click on extrude tool. Select this polyline. Press enter. Extrude it backwards by 6 units. Press enter. Click on presspull tool. Click inside the circle and click this side to create the hole. Right click to exit. Now I'll select this part and move it to the mid of this part. So I'll select it, type M and press enter. Click at this midpoint and then click at this midpoint to move it. Now I'll select these two parts and I'll mirror it with respect to the midpoint. So click on 3D mirror or type 3DMI and press enter. Click at this midpoint. Turn the ortho on by pressing F8. Click towards X-axis once and then click towards Y-axis once and then press enter to mirror it. Now I'll union this part. So click on union tool or type UNI and press enter. Select this completely and then press enter to union this. Now I'll erase all the 2D lines. So select this part completely by using green window selection. Then press shift and then click on the 3D model to deselect this. Now see, all the 2D lines are selected. Just click on the delete button from your keyboard to delete all the 2D lines. Now I'll create this part. So this is 32. This one is 32 as well. And the radius mentioned here is 10. So type L and press enter. Take an extension of 16 units from the midpoint snap as shown towards this side. Type 16 and press enter. Like this. Repeat line command. Take an extension of 16 units this side as shown. 32 units this side as shown. And then click at this snap like this. Right click to exit. You can erase this one. So I'll mirror this line towards this side. So select the line. Type MI and press enter. Or else I'll use 3D mirror. So select the line like this. Type 3D MI and press enter. Click at this midpoint snap. Click towards x-axis once, then y-axis once, and then press enter to mirror the line towards that side. Now I'll press pull cut this part. So click on press pull tool, select this part. Okay, I have to do it again. Take line command. Take an extension of 32 units as shown. Click this side. 16 units as shown. Then click this side, or else click at this snap. Now it's done. Erase this line. Now select the line. Click on 3D mirror. Click at this midpoint. Click towards x-axis once, then y-axis once, and then press enter. Now click on press pull tool. Click inside this boundary. Click upwards. Same for this side. Right click to exit. Now I'll add the fillets. So I'll go to solid tab. Click on fillet edge. I'll select this edge and this one. Click on radius in the command line. Specify the radius as 10 and then press enter twice. It is done. Erase the lines. Now I'll draw this part. So type C and press enter. Take an extension from this midpoint towards this side by 26 units. And then, we have to set the UCS to top first. So go to Home tab. Change the UCS to world.top. Now type C and press enter. Take an extension of 26 units as shown. And then click at this point or specify the radius as 26 and press enter. This is 10 units, so type C and press enter, or just right click to repeat the last command. Click at the center, specify the radius as 5 and press enter. Click on press pull tool and then just press pull the hole backwards. Right click to exit. We will offset this circle inwards by 6 units. So type O and press enter. Specify the offset distance as 6, press enter. Select the circle and then click inwards, then right click to exit. I'll select the circle and copy it downwards by 6 units. So type 6 and press enter. Right click to exit. I'll press pull cut this part. So click on press pull tool. Click at this part and then press pull it backwards like this. This side as well. And then I'll click at this part and press pull it upwards by 6 units. So this is done. I'll erase the 2D lines. Now I have to create this cutout. So this is 60. And from this side, this is 45. So I'll do one thing. I'll set the view to front first. I'll erase this part. Okay. This is 60 and this thickness is 20. So I'll do one thing. I'll use rectangle command. So type REC and press enter. Take an extension towards right like this of 10 units So type 10 and press enter. Click on dimension in the command line. Specify the length as 20 and then press enter. Specify the width as 60 and then press enter. And then click in this side. So we have created this one. Now I'll measure this distance from this side. This should be 45. So first I'll check this distance command di. This is 26. So I have to move this rectangle towards left by 19 units. So type move or type M and press enter. Select this rectangle, press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Move the cursor towards Z axis and type 19 and press enter. Now select this rectangle, click on extrude tool and extrude it towards this side like this. Now what I'll do is, I'll subtract this part from this model. So click on subtract tool or type SUB and press enter. Select this part, press enter. And then select this part and then press enter. So this is done. Now this fillet is R3. So go to solid tab, click on fillet edge. Select this edge. Select this one. Click on radius in the command line. Specify the radius as 3 and then press enter thrice. So this is done. Now this is 20. So repeat fillet edge. Select this edge. Select both the edges. Click on radius. Specify the radius as 20 and then press enter thrice. Okay, let's do it again. Fillet edge. Select this edge. This one. Radius 20. Enter. Okay, it is creating some mess. Sorry, this is 20. So radius must be 10. So click on fillet edge. Select the edges. Click on radius. Type 10 and press enter thrice. So this is done. So we have completed the 3D model. I hope you all have enjoyed this video and learned something new today. So that's it for this video, guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.